Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with clean, towel-damp hair because damp strands absorb the mask more evenly. Once done, detangle from ends to roots so the product spreads without tugging. Measure 1/4 to 1/2 cup of Maui hair mask for short to long hair. This prevents overproduct. Apply immediately to ends first, then work toward roots. This prioritizes damaged areas. Make sure to use your fingertips and adjust. Once the mask is on, section your hair into 4 parts so you can see coverage and avoid missing spots. You'll massage each section for 2 to 4 minutes. This increases blood flow and helps active oils penetrate the shaft. Then, cover with a warm towel or heat cap and leave for 10 to 15 minutes to deepen absorption. While waiting, check each section to ensure the mask remains evenly distributed and doesn't pool at the roots. Rinse thoroughly with cool water until the mask is gone. Cool water seals the cuticle and adds shine. Once rinsed, blot hair gently with a towel and style as usual, applying heat protectant before any hot tools. If your hair feels greasy or heavy, rinse again with a small amount of shampoo or plan a shorter leave time next use. That fixes product buildup. Finally, note frequency. Once weekly for thick or once every 2 weeks for fine hair keeps results balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.